Hi, last time we instantiated the tiles, but we did not give them any colors, so we will add here another variable with the tile colors, which will be an array of colors, obviously, and we can define here the size. For example, let's begin with 4 colors and set each one to a nice tone. For example, a bit of orange for this one, a bit of green, and so forth. Let's choose a nice yellow. Let's change the orange to purple. Okay, so for each tile we can set the modulate property to a random color, but for that let's define for the tile class an integer property which will store the logical color of the tile. So let's assign a random integer in the range from 0 to the tile colors size -1. Let's set the color of the tile and modulate the sprite. So the tiles will be colorful. Perhaps the red and the pink are a bit too similar. Let's do it more dim. Yeah, this will be nice. Okay, and we need to add the other tiles. So let's let's define another integer variable with the number of pieces, and let's do another for loop here and instantiate. You know what? Let's add, instead of having this in their own prefab, we could use another array here, piece prefabs, and make it an array of packets in. So we'll remove that. Let's remove this error and let's populate piece prefabs, and we can add the different prefabs to this array. The rook, let me show you, the pawn, queen, rook, the king, and the bishop. Okay, let's return to the code, and here let's add to all the pieces a new class, which will be piece, class name piece, and let's add the same to all the prefabs. We can also open the scene and drag the script to the node, and for the rook, finally also the piece. And let's add a type of piece here using an enum. Piece type will be pawn, bishop, rook, knight, queen, and king. We need this syntax. Okay, now in each one we will have a variable with the type of piece. For the king, obviously, will be king. For the knight, will be the knight, obviously, and so forth. This is the pawn, queen, and the rook. This will be handy later when we manage the logic of the game. So let's return to the main function and let's instantiate, and we pick from the piece prefabs array an element at random, and we instantiate it and add the child to the board, and let's set the position. The position will be random in this case. Position, this will be similar to this code, but instead of the tile we will use the piece, and instead of I and j we need two random ranges from 0 to the board side for both coordinates. So let's see. Okay, we have the pieces, the random pieces in random places, but they could in theory clash. Let's add here in the main, let's add many pieces to show that they can clash with other pieces. Let's see. 50. Yeah, here obviously there is a knight clashing with a king, or it could be, for example, here a knight clashing with a rook. But yeah, we will solve that in the next video. So for now, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have some comments or suggestions. Please like and subscribe, and share the channel with people that could enjoy the videos. And please consider supporting this kind of tutorials using some of the links below. Thanks.